But I also looked at Toronto because of my greed. I wanted that Toronto city life, and so I was like, okay, fine, let me at least try to do just. I don't know why this happens all the time. Like when I'm sitting, there's a plane or a drone or something going on. Okay, fine, leave that. Hello everyone, welcome to Mars Vlogs. So today I just got out to come to do some work with respect to the consulate. I had to get a power of attorney attested. So one of the drawbacks of Saskatoon, I'll tell you, you don't have an Indian consulate at Saskatchewan. So there are, I think, only two, one at Vancouver and one is at Toronto, I guess. Vancouver I'm sure, but the other one I'm not too sure. So what happens is when you have such work to do, and mine was an urgent one, you either need to travel to Vancouver or Toronto in case there is one in Toronto, and then get it done there. So thankfully once in 3 months these people from the consulate actually visit the other provinces. Like they came to Saskatchewan today, Saskatoon to be specific, and so then we could get it done here. So yeah, that way it was good, so I didn't have to travel all the way to Vancouver. The reason why I'm so stiff and I'm not like even taking my hand out of the jacket is because it's like really cold. I can't tell you how cold it is. That's the way it is, right? Like I opted for this life, so I can't complain. Yeah, so today after a break, I'm shooting this video mainly to talk about how to select colleges. Before anything else, I just want to tell you how overwhelmed I am by the response. Okay, so we are going to hit 3K subscribers. Then my video, which was for the 35-year-old student visa video, which you would have all seen, has crossed 30K views. And the comments and the love and the feedback and everything, I'm like super excited, and I can't tell you guys how excited I am because it's just been amazing. Like I never expected this kind of a response, especially for that video, but then I know how many of you are actually sailing through the same boat, and I'm so glad I'm able to help many of you. And I mean, I'm out of words. I understand it's difficult, like many of you had messaged me in Instagram and YouTube and all. I know it's really difficult, but then if there is a will, there is a way. So just stay focused. Things are going to be fine. Okay, so let's talk about colleges. Many of you had doubts about how to select a college. So first thing is, I would actually suggest you to select a course which is relevant to your work experience or your previous education. Okay, in case it's not relevant, so I'll take my example. I had done my BCA, which is Bachelor in Computer Application, and then then I worked for a year, and then I did my MBA because during the work period I understood that my passion lies in management, so I really needed to do something regarding that. So I shifted to that, and then since I actually, I'm gonna change hands. Let me put the other hand inside there. Okay, so since I completed my MBA, I have always worked in marketing. Like no matter what, I have never shifted my field because I like marketing. I've always liked it, so I've only done work related to that, but then now I'm doing supply chain management. The reason why I wanted to shift, okay, because I have spent 12 to 13 years in marketing, which is a long time. So I just wanted to explore. I wanted to see if I can do another course. I did check for other marketing courses. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I did check for digital marketing or big data or analytics or something of that sort. But then I thought, okay, why don't I just shift the field, because maybe in Canada supply chain management works better. So I did that. So first thing, you need to have a clarity on what course you want. Okay, it might be a little confusing initially, but at least have a vague idea of what you want to do. Many people ask me about which course to select. See, frankly speaking, I can't actually suggest, because it's based on your experience, your interest, what you want to do in future. So I won't be the right person to actually suggest which course to go for, but then I can obviously tell you how you can narrow it down. So for people in India, I think the site works everywhere, but this would be specific to a website which is based in India. I hope you will be able to access it from other places, because I've got responses from Africa, from Sri Lanka, from Philippines. So there are a lot of subscribers all over the world that is watching this. So if you can access it, well and good. But if not, just comment below, and then I'll be able to tell you as of what you can do. So first thing you need to do is to first point, okay, you need to have an idea of what you want to do, okay, like in the sense not exact thing of what you want to do, but at least whether you want to do it in marketing, you want to go into supply chain, have at least like 2 or 3 options of the courses that you might want to do. Okay, and then second thing you need to do is vaguely have an idea of which province you want to do in Canada. See, I had selected Saskatchewan and Manitoba mainly because of the PNP option. Obviously, my main objective was to get PR, right? So I had mainly looked for this, but I also looked at Toronto because of my greed. I wanted that Toronto city life, and so I was like, okay, fine, let me at least try Toronto. So I did try Toronto also. So Manitoba, Toronto and Saskatchewan were the provinces that I had looked out for, okay. So first thing, have an idea of what you want to do. Second thing is, have an idea of which province you want to be. You might have relatives somewhere like in Alberta or maybe Vancouver, so you select based on that. And then what you need to do is, so there is a website called as Study Abroad Shiksha, something of that sort. I'll put a link, okay, you check the description for all the details. I had used that site to shortlist my course, okay. This is not a paid promotion, I am not getting anything from them, so but then I'm just telling you what I did because that helped me. So they have an amazing website wherein you can select the country, you can select the province, you can select the course, you can select which field you want to do. So basically, if you don't know which course you want to do, just, I don't know why this happens all the time, like when I'm sitting, there's a plane or a drone or something going on. Okay, fine, leave that. By the way, I'm sitting in front of the Hindu temple here. They had the consulate services happening in the community hall of the Hindu temple, and it's a beautiful temple. I didn't get a chance to go inside because they're closed now. But then yeah, I will visit sometime soon. Yeah, so that's where I'm. Okay, leave that. Yeah, so go to that website. First select the country. I'll actually put a video of how you can go through the website, because once I go home I'll do that and attach it with this. So you go to that, select the country, and then you need to put which province you want, which course you want, which field you want. You put all those details, and that will show you a list of shortlisted courses that you can do, the colleges that offers, what is the fees, what is the curriculum, what is the schedule, all these things, how many terms they have, like they have a fall, winter, all these kind of things. So it's very, very easy to actually go through it and then shortlist your course. I did that, okay, and that really helped me to actually fine-tune which course I wanted to do. So that is one of the way. Another thing is, you can always do a background check on, okay, let me change hands. Let me so you can do a background check about the college through their Insta or their website and all. Okay, to be frank, I'll tell you something. I was not too keen on Saskatchewan Polytechnic. The word Polytechnic didn't impress me much. I think it's the Indian mentality, right? You think, okay, Polytechnic, it's like a second grade kind of a thing. But and then you look for universities and other colleges which might sound fancy, because that's how Indian brains work, right? You need something like a Sheridan or University of Toronto and all those kind of things. So when I heard Saskatchewan Polytechnic, I'm like, Polytechnic, like why would I go and study in a Polytechnic? But then I did research about the college and about how they're placed. So Saskatchewan Polytechnic is one of the best colleges in Saskatchewan, at least. considering the fact that they have like a lot of industry people coming and recruiting students from here. So that's one thing that you need to be very, very mindful about. A lot of people ask me how Saskatchewan Polytechnic is. It is really good. Like, I really like the course that I'm studying. It's supply chain management. Then I also like the instructors. I also liked the college. I haven't been to the campus yet, so I can't comment, but overall everything was good. So there are people behind me and they're gonna think I'm mad, but I don't care. Yeah, so that's how it worked. And then that's how you're going to select the course. So there will be a detailed video somewhere in this part of the video wherein you will see how to actually select. Actually my ears are numb. How to actually select the course, put all the details. I'll show you a guide of how to go about it. See, but you need to do some research from your end, okay? Like if you are into marketing, see what might be the future of marketing, or if you are into IT, see what's the future of IT, and based on that maybe you will need to look at things. So for me, when I checked marketing, for me it was like big data or analytics or something of that sort. But then I opted for supply chain because supply chain is a big thing in Canada. At least that's what I heard. Hopefully after I get the job I can comment more. Yeah, that's why I took supply chain. Okay, so I will link the video below and then you can see. In my upcoming videos I'm planning to talk about expenses that a international student might have in Saskatchewan, or how is my general life in Saskatchewan. These are the things I'm going to talk about. Tell me if you want me to cover any more topics and I'll be more than happy to do that. What else should I cover in this video? Yeah, mainly selection of course. So I will actually do a voiceover on that particular video, like where I'm going through that in my computer, so you'll get to see more about it. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for your love, your support. I'm away from home. My family is back home, and there are so many things going around in my life, and the kind of support and love and the response I've got from you guys is like really, really so special, because and you know that I respond to all the messages, all the comments. So some comments I'm not able to see. I get a notification but I can't see it. I don't know whether it's hidden or whether there's some reason why YouTube is not showing me those. So I'm not able to respond. So if I'm not responded to your comment, that means I'm not seeing your comment. Okay, I'm getting notifications but I'm not able to see it. Otherwise I'm responding to everything, because I feel so connected with you guys, and I feel that we are like a family. So I'm more than happy to help. And I think that's all for now. So that's it. I'll show you around. Like I've already done, I think. So that's how cold it is. It's around -7, -11 and all at this time, and my hand is shivering and the camera is also shivering. Okay, so that's all I think I need to talk about. The rest will be in the other video. Okay, so that's all guys. Bye. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, because I see that 90% of you who are watching the video are not even subscribing. So please subscribe to the channel, share it, comment, send me love on Insta, email me, and let's be there for each other. Okay, bye. So you need to log on to Google and then type study abroad Shiksha. You get the website there. You can specifically select study in Canada there. Okay, so once you log on to the website, you will see that they have mentioned about a study in Canada colleges. You also have based on courses, exams, colleges, finance, then other options. Also you have study in India, which is the last option. And what you need to do here is, see, you can see that it's specifying what it is, and it will show you the branch of study, like engineering, MBA, or whatever you want to do, MBBS, or whatever you want to do. So these details are shown in this website, and then what you can do is you can specifically select. So I'm going to select MBA there, and then you can see that it's mentioning about most popular MBA colleges. You click on that link of all the colleges in Canada. It'll take you to another page. There you can see top universities and colleges in Canada, their ranking, fees and requirements.
Okay, so all the details are specified there. So you can either, if you're like a topper, you want to go for one of these colleges, you can do that, or else you can even type in details like, specific, maybe something related to supply chain management or IT or whatever you want. Type the location as Canada and then you search. Okay, that also you can do. So once you search and you go to the page, what you can find is all those colleges in Canada that offer supply chain management as a course. Okay, here you can see all the colleges on the right, and on the left you have this amazing feature of where you can filter. You can filter it by province, by the course, by the fees, by your bachelor's marks, whether there are scholarship, the course duration, whether you get a PGWP, all those details you can actually shortlist and then get the colleges. So you can see it on this website how it works. I'm just trying out few of the filters, and then you get specific details about what I mean, which are the colleges that are available. See, all these colleges are listed, so you can actually play around with the filters which is mentioned on the left hand side, and then based on your requirement you will get the colleges on the right hand side. That's how good this website is. Like I can't like explain as of the importance of having such a website, because there are so many people who have written to me that they needed help with it. So that's how it's going to help you out. You can play around with all the filters, and then you can look at the colleges. So now you have seen that I have looked out for supply chain management, and all over Canada these are the colleges. There are several colleges offering the course. So like supply chain management, you can select for other courses also. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to specifically check for the Saskatchewan. Before that, maybe I'll check for some IT or IT courses in Canada, just to give you an idea, because a lot of people were also asking me, what about IT courses, which IT course can I take. So I'm going to show you about that. See, these are all the IT, basically Master of IT. Okay, I've taken that specific course, so that way you can type whatever course you have in mind, and these are all the colleges that offers that particular course in Canada. Again, on the left you have filters. You can play around with that, and then it will tell you, it can be course duration, application process, like whether they'll accept IELTS, they'll accept TOEFL, all these things are mentioned. See, you can play around with it. So these are the colleges for IT, that is Master of IT. Now what we can do is we can specifically select my college, which is Saskatchewan Polytechnic, and I'm going to go and going to check which are the courses. So I'm just going to put in business courses, and then let's select as of check which are the business courses available at Saskatchewan Polytechnic. So you can see they have their college video. You have a browser, brochure to download. Then you can go to specific business management courses, and then you can see the duration. On the right you can see the recommended courses for you, and all the details like how many years it is, what is the fees, eligibility criteria. You can even get this course schedule, all these things. Like, I don't know how amazing this website is. Like, I can't explain how amazing the website is. It's that good. So you can check all that, and then you can find more courses. In that you can go and get all the details of all most of the courses available. You can see that, right? Yeah, so just play around with the website. You'll get a lot of information on that, and I hope you can find the right course. That's all, guys. Bye.